Well, I have Dr. Karthik Reddy with me and ranked third in AIMS. That's fantastic. So you nervous? Are you nervous?
Yes.
So I'm just transferring some confidence to you. Okay, that's a
Thank
wonderful
you.
smile. Feeling better now? Easy? Good? AIMS 3. Did you get this nervous on your examination table as well?
Yes.
Did you? Oh my god, and still you score such great ranks. Fantastic. Well, what are you pursuing, Dr. Karthik?
I'm doing radiology names.
And you wanted to
Yes,
do this?
I wanted always.
I finally got somebody who wanted to do what he's actually doing. That's nice. So, which institute did you join for
In
AIMS?
IMS Hyderabad.
IMS Hyderabad.
Yes,
And how did you
RHT.
choose to join that?
As usual, it's the trend in our college that most of them join
Oh
AMS.
my god, so it's like you're like the trendsetter. Yeah. So that is how you said, okay, let me also do it.
Yes.
That's like fashion, that's really nice.
Yes. It's like a brand.
It's like
IMS.
like a designer
Yes.
brand. Okay, so Dr. Karthik completely goes by the designer brand. He says, well, it's a trend over there. So everybody who joins IMS. Okay, so everybody who would join IMS and who has joined IMS earlier, and now of course you. What is that you liked the best about IMS?
The best is the classes, and they are most detailed. I think most of the students, they mostly rely on MCQs.
Okay.
So instead of that, IMS mostly relies on the theory part. So that's the main advantage we people get by joining IMS.
Okay, so more detailed
theory part.
That's nice. So, one more thing very quickly, Dr. Karthik, that whatever you heard about IMS before you joined it, so of course there's an expectation that you build it.
Yes.
But when you actually come to the class or when you
Yes.
take your FTS or you're with them, do you feel you are, whatever you've heard is up to the expectation, you feel contented, you feel satisfied
Yes,
by
it
the
was
end of the day?
beyond my expectations.
Beyond it.
Actually,
Okay.
I was really very much satisfied with the classes, with the FTS, with the faculty, with the class environment.
And how about the notes? How
with the
concise
competition, notes were really good, covering all the big core topics and the topics which are covered, not covered, new topics. They were really good.
Everything is well integrated,
Well
basically.
integrated, yes.
And which are the notes you think adds to the IMS? If I have to ask you to name a few subjects, which is that you'd say that okay, if you read these subjects from IMS notes, that's it. You don't have to really refer to anything else.
I did most of the subjects from IMS notes itself. And all of them are best.
All of them are
yes,
really good.
yes.
And how about the FTS? Did you really, the moment you got to your AIMS examination, did you feel a little more comfortable because the simulation has already been there? And
Yes. Actually, FTS, the same environment what we have in FTS, same thing we feel in the real exam. It feels like a real exam.
And how many questions did you attempt?
I attempted 193 questions.
193. So I think 190, 195 is a good enough.
You have to choose wisely because most of them beyond 20 they attempt 200, 198. So better leave few questions and you get a good rank.
And it was your first attempt with?
It was my third attempt in AIMS.
And so you just were at it and you said, I have to get it.
Yes.
That's really nice, friends. You'd really like to take a note of that. Though it was his third attempt, but he said, no, I have to be at it and keep doing it. That's really nice. And then got to radiology. That's the best part of it, And how many revisions did you really take before?
Actually, I didn't do any revisions. I just keep on studying whatever I wanted. That's it. I don't do any revisions.
Okay. Well, of course, my IMS students now would like to hear it all from you. That how do they really keep their cool, and how do they what should be the right approach towards their exams?
Yes. Always never get depressed. For me, actually, in May and November, I was never actually in the list, AIMS list.
Oh, you won.
I was not in the top list. This time, with much hard work and determination, I made it. So
and at
always
that point in time also, were you with IMS when you did
yes,
not?
I was in the IMS.
Okay. So what was the difference then? Maybe something missing out of you that you said, nahi, aur bhi mehnat karni hai, something like that?
Yes. The hard work part was missing. I did, yes.
So just coming to IMS is not going to get you a rank, right?
Yes.
You really have to, there has to be a lot of strategy,
Yes.
a 360-degree approach from your
Yes.
side, of course from IMS, the notes, the preparations and everything. And how important is attending all the classes?
Definitely never miss any class because we should be what all people do. Everybody attends the classes, so you must not miss anything. So attend the classes, read yourself, and that adds to your preparation.
Thank you, Dr. Karthik. Pleasure talking to you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.